Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're just be seeing if we can polish this up a little bit with this Meguiar's ScratchX. Right there it is. I bought the kit, so it comes with everything. It's going to come with the little spindle right here to apply, as well as a way to dry it off with the little microfiber cloth right here. Now this one is a little bit more dark. There's actually a few paint chips on there, so I don't know how well it will handle that, but it should be able to handle the light scratches and stuff here. All right, so this is easy to apply. We're just going to put a little bit here on this, and then I like to kind of dab it in so that I'm not accidentally getting this straight to the surface of my car. And then we're going to work it in. All right, so it still struggled with that scratch. I knew it would, but I had a couple other little ones around here, really small ones, and they're completely gone. So obviously this works well for your finer scratches. It's not going to repair the paint. You'd have to do a little bit more additional detailing in order to get that fixed. But those small ones are gone, and this thing looks super shiny now. So if you're interested in something like this, obviously highly recommend it. For these smaller ones, go ahead and check it out.